Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming to the show. So for this episode, I got my inspiration from this lady on YouTube. I don't know what her name was. I know she was blonde. But anyways, she made this little bling box and it was super cute. So I want to do something similar, but just going to put my own spin on it. So all you're going to need is a little box, a couple of certain ornaments, which I'm going to show you, glue gun, scissors, and some bling wrap. So if you're ready, let's do it. Okay guys, for this project, the first thing you want to do is get a box that has a lid, and you want the lid to come off pretty easily, okay? Also, you want to make sure that it is big enough so that you can put some little feet on it, okay? So this one has some ribbon on it, and I'm just going to take that right off. Whoops. Okay, and it's just glued on there. All right, so now here's the box. Okay, there's a sticker on there. I don't really care. Okay, so now you've got your bling wrap. Okay, and we're just going to cover this in some bling, okay? Now I will say that I do kind of like this, you know, shiny, iridescent, pretty color of blue. So I think I might leave a couple of spaces for that to show through. I think that'd be cool. So, my handy dandy measuring, which is just to eyeball it. Okay. Okay, so we've got 2 strips ready to go, and we know they're going to wrap around a little bit. All right, so let's do it. Okay, now I did come down just a little bit. Do you see? I left a little bit of a lip because I want the lid to be able to just fall onto that nicely. You know, I don't want it to get stuck or anything. Okay, so now you're just gonna finish the other side. Okay, so we have that little bit left, and I cut out what should be just about the right amount. Oh, I fucking hope. Okay. Okay, so we are off by just the tiniest bit. Okay, so that's all right because we have these strips right here. We can use some of that. Okay, so here's this side, bam, look at that. Okay, so this is just gonna be the back side. All right. Now, for this part, you can cover the bottom in the bling wrap if you want, but you do not have to, okay? I am not going to. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the glue gun, and then we're going to add these, and they're gonna be the little feet. All right, so while the glue gun is getting ready, you can cut off, oh shit, oh, it just went all the way over there. Anyways, you can cut off the little string, okay? Now, believe it or not, these cute ass little deals, I got them at the Dollar Tree last year. Okay guys, for your animal fact today, we're gonna talk about the okapi, all right? Now these guys, I never even heard of them, but they are found in the Congo, okay? They belong to the giraffe family, and they are super freaking rare. So rare that there has not been a photograph of them until 2008. So, not too long ago. So enjoy these photos and videos and stuff, because there's not too many, all right? Anyway, so those stripes that they have, right, that is camouflage for them, but it's also a way for the babies to tell which one their mama is when they're out in the wild, because just like our fingerprints, those stripes are unique to them, all right? Now their fur is really oily and velvety. They have a 12 to 14 inch tongue. Yeah. You know what they do with that tongue? They clean their eyes and their ears. You know what else they like to do? They like to eat bat poop. It's like a treat. Tasty. Okay, so the glue gun is ready. So I'm gonna take one of these balls, and it's just foam on the inside there. So I'm just kind of squishing down the ends a little bit, you know, to make it like flatter, okay? Whoops. And then we're just gonna go ahead and give it a decent amount. String side down. Okay, and then you're just gonna do the same thing all the way around. Well, not all the way around, you know what I mean, 4 corners. Okay, so we'll let that set and cool for a little bit. Okay, and while that's cooling off, we can finish up the lid, okay? So what I did was I already went ahead and measured, you know, pretty decent, I guess, 2 parts of the lid. I'm leaving a space in the middle because I want to attach, you know, the little knob or handle or whatever you call it for the lid. Okay, well that really bugs me. It's not exactly perfect. God dang it. Do you see the difference? Look at this line right here. See it? Anyways, probably nobody else will notice it, but I do. Okay, fine. So now we want to put this dude here in the middle. Okay, so now what we want to do is put this little knob here in the middle, right? So I'm going to give a little squirt of Gorilla Glue. And a little dot of hot glue. Okay, looks like it's in the middle to me. Now we can finish this up. Okay, again, not perfect, but you know, I still like it. Okay. Now, these should be dry. They seem to be okay. So, yeah, seems good. Are you ready? Do we like that? Or do we want to go around this? I don't think so. I think I like it like that. I do. I like this. I think it turned out really freaking cute. Oops. Yeah, I'm down with that. Yeah. All right, cool. So, you know, you can use it for whatever. It's decent size. You could do more to it if you wanted to. You could do less to it. I don't know, all kinds of stuff. I don't think this is ready yet for me to pull on it. I'm not gonna chance it, but I will show you guys wherever I put it when I'm done, okay? All right, cool. So thanks for coming to the show tonight. You know, I'm sorry this was kind of, you know, not my finest work, but it is 3:42 in the morning right now, and I'm pretty freaking tired, but I really wanted to do this. So I hope you guys liked it. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. Be safe out there.